Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your personal details in Wise app, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the Wise app and already logged in, and now right after that, once you open it, you will be able to see the interface or dashboard of the Wise apps on in the screen, where you can see your profile picture at the top left corner of this dashboard. Simply tap on that profile picture and now you will be able to see the personal details over here. So just tap on the personal details and now you will be redirected to the another section where you can see it is written tell us about yourself. So you can customize or change your country of residence, your personal details like full name, last name and date of birth. And if you want to change your phone number, simply tap on the change primary phone, which is at the bottom of this screen, and now enter your new number over here and finally tap on the continue. And once you verify yourself, you will be able to change your primary phone number successfully. And you can also change your address from here. So after completing your personal details, simply tap on the save and yeah, you will be able to change your personal details successfully. So basically this is how you can change your personal details in Wise app. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.